What is up, everybody? Gistic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut your audio in Audacity. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you need is some audio. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to record some audio. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to cut your audio in Audacity. Alright, let's play that back, see how it sounds. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to cut your audio in Audacity. Alright, so all you need to do to cut it is we're just going to cut these little bits first. So we're going to select the bits you want to cut and then press delete, and then that's it. That's all you need. So it is very simple. So look, now it just starts right where we want it. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you. Alright, I don't want to be showing you anything. So when deleting a clip of audio, like actual audio, make sure you select it like right on the little wave. I don't know what these are called. Select it at the start of them, these wave things. Otherwise, it's gonna sound horrible. It's gonna sound, your audio is gonna cut half. All right, so you press delete. Now let's listen to this. Look, and it just connects really well. Hey guys, how to cut your audio in Audacity. See, fits perfect. Alright, anyway guys, that is it for this video. I know it's a quick little short video. You guys hate these, you want me to do longer videos. If this video did help you in any way, shape or form, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out so much. Also, if you have any problems, please leave a comment below. Myself or someone else will reply to your comment, helping you. Trust me. I will try respond to all the comments, but if I can't respond to all of them and you see a comment that you know the solution to, please help that person out. Help a brother out, you know? Alright, that is it from me, guys. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.